The guys are just going to fire up. They're on the way to the prize presentation. It's rather precious bit of machinery, but quite a special sound, as I'm sure you'll appreciate in a moment.
What the idea is to actually destroy any hopes Chris Kinley's got of reading out the prize winners in the villa when we start this up. It will be the Japanese national anthem in a few minutes. And here's Stuart Graham, who rode one of such machines to second place in the 1966 250.
Well, yeah, it's the worst sound in the world, really, isn't it? Well, we always think so. Right?
What was it like to ride, though? Was it a good handler?
Well, yes, they were great fun. Pretty lively over the bumps, but then all the stuff was in those days. So, yeah, it was a fabulous machine, fabulous.
Are we going to light this up, Peter? The Gucci shoes it is that's doing it.